this is his information. Are you aware of the other party?
All I know is that it was a truck.
Sheriff DeWitt.
Sheriff DeWitt is the driver?
Yes. We got him stopped down there in Hanahan.
Stand by.
Oh, Lord.
He's 55. I was told to advise you.
Yeah. F11 at 45. I need to give you a 1021.
Go ahead.
Give me a minute.
Not a problem. He's going to go into medics if you're okay with that. I got all his information right there, name, date of birth, Mississippi driver's license, and address.
This is the driver?
Yeah.
Of this one?
This him, yes.
Where did it actually happen at?
Right here on Red Bank. It is right before the second entrance. There's a little bit of debris in the roadway still.
Okay, go ahead.
You okay with me telling him to look good? Or you want to talk to him?
Yeah, give me just a minute.
Okay.
Hey. I just got up here on a 1057. Subject's going to be transported, I think to Trident. The hit-and-run vehicle, the driver has been located and stopped. He's 1055, and it's Sheriff DeWitt. Up on Henry Brown. I'm going to get an exact 1020 on it. I haven't met with him yet. The hand officer was telling me that. I believe it's Hanahan or maybe Berkeley. Yeah, he's going to be. Where is he stopped at?
Huh?
Where was he stopped at?
Where was the...
Where is...
The other party?
The other party.
They're on Bankton Circle in Hanahan.
Bankton Circle in Hanahan?
The DL out of Mississippi is going to be 801.
No, it's a vehicle. It's significant. It's got a lot of damage. There's damage out here in the roadway. They were able to pull it to the parking lot at the Hardee's and stand by until we got here. The hit-and-run vehicle left and went to Bankston, Bankston Circle, and was located. Who found it, Berkeley or you guys?
One of us found him.
Oh.
All over the road, going down the threat, speeding, of course. There's some blue lights, I believe. I believe now. I don't know if that's actually.
Okay. How far away is that from where I'm at? Bankston.
8 miles down that way.
8 miles?
Yeah. When you're done here, I'll take you right to him.
All right. That's what they're saying. Okay. All right, sir. Okay. We'll do. All right, sir. You going to be transported, sir?
Yes.
What hospital are you going to?
Trident.
Trident? All right. I'm going to meet up with you shortly. Are you going to leave the vehicle here, or are you going to arrange for a wrecker, or what do you want to do?
Who would I call for a wrecker?
Whoever. If you wanted to make your own arrangements for a wrecker, you can. Or we can do it for you.
Could y'all?
That it's going to be. I'm going to let it stay here for a little while I go deal with the other situation with the other driver. If you don't mind, if you turn the key over to me.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is your insurance and registration?
Yes, ma'am. That's the other driver. Can I actually picture it real quick?
You're saying this is the other driver?
Or not the other driver. That's a witness.
A witness.
Yes.
I know.
Can I take a picture real quick?
132 hours.
Very busy.
Thank you, man.
Let me get a phone number for you, sir.
601 337 1765.
Did you have your seatbelt on?
Yes, ma'am.
What lane will you stop in?
Right lane.
Will you stop or what?
Coming to a stop.
Coming to a stop. All right. I'll get back in touch with you. This is a cell phone number, or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you have it with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me deal with that part of it, and I'll get back with you. Okay.
All right.
All right. I'm gonna go to Bankston.
I'm jumping.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for the time being while I go deal with that aspect of it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, and I've got the key for it, and we'll make arrangements. He's asked for a lot of our records, but I just can't. I gotta deal with that portion first.